Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download the latest Windows 11 26H1 ISO directly from Microsoft Files. At the moment, the official Microsoft download page doesn't provide the 26H1 ISO yet. So we'll use UUP Dump, which downloads the official Windows Update files from Microsoft servers and converts them into a bootable ISO on your computer. Let's get started. Open your web browser and visit uupdump.net. On the home page, click the Windows 11 drop-down menu. From the list, select 26H1. You'll see several builds listed. Do not choose any preview build. Instead, select latest Windows 11 version 26H1 AMD64. This is the recommended option if you want the latest stable Windows 11 release. Choose your preferred installation language, then click Next. Tick the Windows edition or editions you want to include in the ISO. For most users, the default selections are fine. Click Next. On the Download Method page, select the second option, Download and Convert to ISO. Then uncheck Include Updates. This speeds up the download and ISO creation process. Now click Create Download Package. A zip file will be downloaded to your computer. Extract the downloaded zip file. Important: make sure the extracted folder does not contain any spaces in its name or folder path. If the folder contains spaces, the script may fail and the ISO won't be created. Double-click the CMD file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The command prompt window will open. Type R, then press Enter. The script will automatically download all required Windows files from Microsoft servers and begin converting them into an ISO. Depending on your internet speed and computer performance, this process may take some time. Please be patient and let it finish completely. Once the process is complete, you'll see a message indicating it has finished successfully. Press Q or 0 to exit the command prompt. Open the same extracted folder. You'll now find your newly created Windows 11 26H1 ISO file. To keep things organized, move the ISO into a new folder or another location for future use. You can now use this ISO to create a bootable USB drive, install Windows 11 on a new PC, upgrade an existing Windows installation, and create a virtual machine. That's how you can download the latest official Windows 11 26H1 ISO using UUP Dump. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tutorials and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.